Now track your order, step by step, in real time. On your favorite browser, open our website ptcl.com.pk. Click on the support option at the top of the web page. To track your order, simply scroll down on the page until you see the section of Most Used Support Links, and click on Track Order. Enter the order number that was sent to you via SMS or email. And click on Track. Your order tracking will be on the status of Order Received, if you have recently got your order processed. You can also see estimated time of completion in the status. This is the maximum time this complete process may take and is not the time for this particular step only. If your order is on the step of Order Validation, it means your credentials are being verified. Your order tracking will be on the status of Checking Network Availability, when we are verifying the presence of network at your installation address. The status of Awaiting Payment indicates that we are excited to get you up and running and eagerly anticipating the payment of installation charges from your end. Ready for installation means our team will be visiting you very soon for installation of services and set everything up. After the successful completion of all steps, process tracker will reach the step of Installation Completed, and date below it will show the date on which process was completed. You can also track your order via PTCL Touch app. Open Touch app in your mobile phone. Log in if you have an account on Touch app. Or you can log in as a guest. Now click on the option of Support. Click on Track Order button. Enter your order ID in the provided field and click on the Check Orders button. Just like website, you can also track stepwise status of your order here. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to try out our order tracking feature. For more options, you can visit www.ptcl.com.pk or contact us via our WhatsApp number.